Industrial environments are among the toughest on the planet. Extreme temperatures, exposure to corrosive fluids, oil, dust, and water can all destroy sensitive electronics. Hammond Manufacturing specializes in industrial electrical and electronic enclosures, built to protect your devices from the worst that industrial environments can throw at them. The 1557 series is ideally suited for protecting printed circuit boards and for either tabletop use or one of two different wall mount configurations. Rounded corners and faces give these enclosures a more modern look while still offering superior watertight ratings. The lid is secured with M4 stainless steel machine screws threaded into corrosion-resistant bushings, allowing for repeated assembly and disassembly. All hardware is designed to avoid corrosion, even in harsh industrial environments. A one-piece, high-temperature silicone gasket works with the lid's tongue and groove construction to keep oil, dust, and water out, with enclosure options in either ABS plastic or UL-listed polycarbonate for protection against impacts. The 1554 series can mount printed circuit boards or DIN rail-mounted components, and also features a gasketed lid with tongue and groove construction. The replaceable gasket is also made from high-temperature UL-listed silicone and is one barrier against the outside elements. This series can operate between -40 to +110 degrees Celsius, and the polycarbonate version carries an IK08 impact rating. The polycarbonate versions have also been independently tested to meet multiple IP and NEMA ratings, and both the 1557 and 1554 series polycarbonate boxes are UV stabilized for outdoor use. Lid screws are self-captivating, meaning lid holes are threaded with the first installation of lid screws. Like the 1557 series, all hardware is specifically designed to be as corrosion-resistant as possible. The Eclipse series is a stainless steel wall-mount enclosure with a hinged door. Continuously welded seams, ground smooth, along with hidden hinges and attractive latching systems make these enclosures a suitable addition to any high-tech equipment installation. As a metal enclosure, there is a bonding stud provided on the door and a grounding stud installed in the enclosure itself. Door stiffeners are provided where required for increased strength, though larger enclosures will require an inner panel to maintain UL and CSA compliance. When properly configured, the Eclipse series complies with several NEMA, IEC, and IP ratings and is UL, CSA, and CE certified. Hammond Enclosures, purchased from onlinecomponents.com, can protect your electronics in the worst environments. To learn more about these or other Hammond enclosures or to purchase these parts, click the link in the description below.